You are more than just special. Despite the opposition that may come, never forget why you are here. And remember who you are.
The world's first
superhero
motivational speaker, TMoore The Motivator.
I will definitely recommend TMoore The Motivator to school programs, to large events, not only here in South LA, but all across the country and the world.
From the entrance, like I could just see all the kids very in suspense, like, oh, who's coming out? And then just to see his logo gleam inside the room and all the kids really keeping an eye on him. And as he walked in, I really enjoy his engagement with all the youth, from bringing them up. I think that's a skill that a lot of youth may not have the opportunity to do so around public speaking.
I would highly recommend you book him for next year's event. He's already booked for us, so book him early.
Repeat after me, please. I can. I will. I must.